And in other news tonight, criminal charges are piling up against Davidson Bangayan, who is also believed to be big-time rice smuggler David Tan. After being cited for contempt and charged for allegedly lying under oath before the Senate Agriculture Committee, Bangayan was taken into custody by the NBI for another offense. Bangayan attended the resumption of the committee investigation in rice smuggling in the country. More from Sam.
The Senate Committee on Agriculture is preparing to file perjury against Davidson Bangayan, alias David Tan, alleged rice smuggler, after he deliberately lied about his identity under oath. During the first session, he was questioned several times by the senators if he was David Tan, which he repeatedly denied despite the strong evidence saying otherwise. In the second Senate session, Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte confirmed that Davidson Bangayan and David Tan are one and the same.
I need a face. So, ang intelligence community ho, nag-produce ng binigay sa akin. Ito yun.
Di siya ba ho yung nakikita nyo ngayon si Mr. Davidson Bangayan, yung face na yun?
He's the one portrayed in the picture. Not even similar. I think he's the one.
The Senate has requested for Bangayan to be placed on the immigration watch list and for his passport to be cancelled.
We met and that is their consensus. Kasi sabi nila, useless naman na i-detain. Napunta naman sa hearing eh. Ma-i-detain natin pag hindi na pumunta sa hearing. Now, mas mabigat yung mag-demanda ng perjury, tapos for watch list na, and then we will ask the FA to cancel the passport.
During the second session, National Food Authority Administrator Erlan Calayog also revealed that there's on Bangayan or David Tan on their list of registered and licensed importers.
Hiningi po natin yung feedback galing sa field. And lahat po sila nagsabing wala pong nakarehistro na Davidson Bangayan o David Tan. At kung titingnan po natin sa batas po, for you to enter sa grains business, kahit importation, kahit po retailing, kahit warehousing, dapat po may lisensya kayo from NFA.
Meanwhile, the NBI arrested Bangayan immediately after the hearing over a separate electricity pilferage case filed against him in a Caloocan court. He was brought to the NBI office in Manila where he underwent the usual booking procedure, but he was released a few hours after when his lawyer paid bail. The Senate Committee on Agriculture has set the third session to probe rice smuggling on the 25th of February. They're expected to focus on the different policies on rice importation and tariffication. Davidson Bangayan is still expected to testify, alongside with Elizabeth Faustino, a treasurer in a rice cooperative, and David and Judlyn Lim, some of the accused of participating in rice smuggling. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.